Hi guys, what's up? It's Scholar85 back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for A Plague Tale Innocence on the Xbox One. So yeah, really looking forward to playing this. Everything I've heard about this game has only been good. They're saying it's kind of like Hellblade, Senua's Sacrifice, in like story and stuff. So it's very story based. But if you don't know, it's basically about these two guys here. So you got Amicia and you've got Hugo, and it's based in France during the Black Death. And apparently something's going on with Hugo, that he's got a sickness, but they're not sure what it is. And apparently, basically the Inquisition are after him, and yeah. So, and obviously, as you see, there's rats because Black Death and death and biting and horribleness. So yeah, that's the front, that's the side, and that's the back. And it says that. If you want to read it, pause it, read it, you can. Some comments from IGN. So yeah, the install size is up to 41 gig, and it is Xbox One X enhanced and high dynamic range. Then inside we have nothing but the disc. So yeah, that's my quick unboxing for A Plague Tale Innocence, guys, on the Xbox One. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Cheers, bye.